Alright guys, sa mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. May reaction video po tayo ngayon. Dito kay Road Trip. Alright. At Attorney Sir Weka Lopez sinugod na sa Veteran Memorial Center. VP Sara kasamang sumakay na ambulansya. Alright, kaninang madaling araw to ha. At ito ay panoorin. Dinala ang sa Veteran Memorial Hospital si Atty. Lopez dakong alas 3. Tingnan mo, alas 3 ng umagang Sabado, November 23 dahil umano sa panic attack. At kasama ni Lopez na sumakay sa ambulansya si Vice President Sara Duterte. Ito ay matapos ipag-utos ng House Committee on Good Governance ang public accountability na ilipat si Lopez sa Women's Correctional Institute sa Mandaluyong. Alright, panoorin po natin guys, and not further ado, let's do watch.
Please, I need my lawyer.
Ma'am, not here po.
I am serving my detention in good faith.
Opo.
Please know that.
Opo.
From the US, I came back. I sat there and I answered the question. So, I would like my lawyers to.
Ma'am, are your lawyers around?
We are going to call them.
And ma'am, but we are ordered to
I want my
implement this
lawyers to be
immediately.
present. Ma'am, please.
So,
Please
I'm going to
understand.
also.
Kasi ang ano sa
Wala akong problema. But I need my lawyers to be present.
before we can effect this, ma'am.
I need
Because
my
but-
lawyer. No, let them come with me. Or mas at least masabihan ko sila.
Ma'am, safe naman po kayo with us.
It is not that. Wala akong issue about that feed the room.
Ma'am,
Alright, si Lopez ang Chief of Staff ni Vice President at i-detain sa House of Representative matapos ma-cite in contempt. Bawal daw yan na mag-cite in contempt dyan sa nakaraang hearing ng Kamara ng Confidential Fund ng OVP. At nasa HOR naman ang pangalawang Pangulo upang ito ay samahan, suportahan sa mga gabi ng pananatili ng House premises. Alright?
ma'am, may lawyer naman po kami dito.
I am not going
Okay.
anywhere. Just leave the room now. Leave the room now.
Ma'am, we'll check muna po sa committee.
Walang problema. Leave the room now. I just want my lawyers to be present. Narinig niyo yan lahat.
Opo, opo.
I want my lawyers to be present. Please leave the room now.
Paki-informal.
Leave the room now. You can stay there. Walang problema. People, leave the room now.
Opo.
Please leave the room.
Ma'am, wait lang po. Maghintay lang po muna kami ng instruction. Kung ano naman po yung instruction nila.
Leave the room. Okay, please go. Leave the room.
For the years 2022. Ma'am, no, we're just reading po the order. Opo. Yes, ma'am. Opo.
This is the defense from Cantor.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, the detention center, pinapakailaman pa, nandun na yung ating Vice President, sinasamahan si Atty. Lopez.
Ma'am. Opo, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
May space kayo para dito.
Yes, ma'am. Opo. Ma'am, let us just comply because we are mandated to read this order. We will just simply read it to ma'am. Yes po. Ma'am, no, I think that's a different one, ma'am. That's, yes, ma'am, but before I give you a copy, ma'am, will you please allow me to read it? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, may I continue? Into the utilization of public funds, particularly the budget appropriated to the office of the President, Vice President, I mean, for the years 2022, 2023,
Alright, yan po yung pagpapadala kay Attorney Salveta, sinugod na sa Veterans Memorial Center. At ito ay nagsusuka ng Sabado, November 23 dahil umano sa panic attack. At kasama na ni Lopez na sumakay ng ambulansya. Itong si ating Vice President Sara Duterte. Alright, panoorin po natin yan and subaybayan natin anong mangyayari dito sa pagpapadala sa hospital. Sa Mandaluyong Correctional ba o dito sa kanyang hospital sa doktor. Alright? Thank you guys and ayan, muntik na maipit pa si Sara Duterte sa kanyang pagsakay. Alright? Maraming salamat guys and peace out sa inyong lahat.